This instructional video explains how to correct database saving errors related to the Scanmate version 4 software. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. If the Scanmate software is operational but cannot save a bscan image or video, the database user credentials may need modification. To correct this issue on a standalone workstation, you will need to have local administrator access. To correct this issue on a computer that is part of a domain, you will need to have domain administrator access. Also, the system which hosts the database will need SQL Server Management Studio installed. Refer to other videos in this series for instructions on installing SQL Server Management Studio. On the PC which hosts the database, hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type ssms.exe and click OK. SQL Server Management Studio will open. The DGH server name should be automatically entered. However, if the DGH server name is not displayed, click the down arrow icon and select Browse for More. A Browse for Servers window will open. Click on the Network Servers tab. Click on the Database Engine icon to expand the list of servers. Note that there may be multiple servers on the network. The correct DGH server must be selected. Ensure that Windows Authentication is selected, then click the Connect button. The Object Explorer will become populated. Click on items to expand the tree. Navigate to Security Logins. A list of users will be displayed. Right-click on Logins and select New Login. A window will open. Enter the login name which will be accessing the database. In a single PC configuration, as shown here, the login name format is computer name / computer username. In a domain network configuration, the login name format is domain name / domain username. Once the login name has been entered, click on Server Roles in the left-hand column. Mark the checkbox next to sysadmin, then click OK. Exit SQL Server Management Studio and re-attempt saving the video. The issue should be resolved.